TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Mans, and today I want to give you some strategies for trading these extra innings, these trade ideas that I give you each night. On the screen we have AAOI, both the daily and the 5-minute as usual. I wanted to show you that here we have Thursday's session. This was on the XRV trading plan, made a great move, and then Friday I had this on to see if it couldn't do a continuation. We also had it on the XRV plan. It didn't do that, but it also didn't trigger. So we headed lower, and it did a bounce and ended up, as you can see, up in the top of the range. Down, but up in the top of the range. So this is what you do with these trades that you don't want to throw out, because the setup is still quite possible. So here it opened today, climbed higher. This is not a place where I would have gotten into this trade. I have other things we do in the morning. We have other trades that are going on. We have a trading room. It's exceptionally busy first thing. But these are the trades that I look to later to see, is something going to develop. So here you can see it traded up past this pivot level, this R1, this resistance level, back down, bounced off a level that it has seen before. So you can see it liked this level from 2 days ago, and then also again this morning. So it bounced up and started trading higher. So this is an area where you'd want to see if you couldn't go from this pivot up to the further pivot. Did it this morning. That was a great move. And waiting for the pullback, even on an extended day, even a couple days later, is always a good strategy to try and squeeze more out of these stocks that are just jamming higher, as you can see here on AAOI. Higher, resting day. Now today we're looking to see if it couldn't go higher, and indeed it did. So that's one idea for a strategy for squeezing more out of these trades. This is a similar idea, but in reverse. IR was on our trading plan for Friday. We were looking to see if after this move down on Thursday, if this Friday day's session couldn't follow through to the downside. It didn't. It was an inside day. And in fact, today was another inside day. Well, you can still make money on these trades if what you're looking to do is stick with your bias and look for certain inflection points. So here's what that looked like. And you can see it holding on on Friday's session. Now today, Monday, it opened higher. So now what are we doing? We're looking to see if this isn't the pullback for a dive lower. Again, I'm not catching this trade here. Busy in the morning, busy trading room. But as this didn't quite break this pivot here, and it's heading down, and then it paused. So you can see right here, there was some consolidation around the R1 pivot. This is the breaking point at which you could do a pivot to pivot play. And then if you're trailing your stop down, it's possible you caught even more of this trade. So those are two ideas for when you have these ideas I give you and they didn't develop that day or the next day. You can look at the daily chart, see what the stock is trying to do, and then see if you can't find an inflection, a reversal, a pullback, and then head it in the way you originally believed it was going to head. All right, I hope everyone had a great trading day. If you're interested in joining us, give me an email, julie@traderinsight.com. Hope to hear from you.